Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing about the reorder list. So before diving into the question, turn on your DSM mode and then let's get started. So we are given a head of the linked list, which is singly linked list, and then we need to modify like this. Suppose this is the linked list which has L0, L1 and then L2 till Ln. We need to reorder in such a way that there will be L0 and then Ln and then L1 and then Ln minus 1 and then L2 and then like that. Suppose if we take this particular example where we have 1, 2 and then 3 and then 4. Now we need to reorder this particular linked list in such a way that it will give this particular result. So if we look at this solution, so we are going to get 1 here and then 2 here. This is 2. Now for the second part, if we observe, the 4 is going to come here and then 3 is going to come here. Now if we observe this particularly, there is two things. One is the first list, which is 1 and then again 2. This is the order in which we want the linked list. And then the other linked list is 4 and then 3. We want 4 and then 3, which is equal to reverse of 3 and then 4. So this is our 4 and then 3 is the reverse of 3 and then 4. And then one more thing is 1 and 2 is of half of total linked list, which is head. Let us think it as head. So this will 1 and 2 is off of the this particular linked list, and then 4 and 3 is the reverse of this particular linked list. And one more thing we need to observe is we are breaking this particular linked list into two halves. One is first half and then second one is second half, and then we are going to reverse this particular linked list to get this 4 and 3, and then again we are going to combine like this. We are going to pick first time with the 1 and then we are going to pick 4 as the next element, and then we are going to pick 2 as the next element, and then we are going to pick 3 as the last element. So we are just transforming our linked list in such a way that we are going to get the this desired result. First we are going to break into two halves. This will be our break, and then after that we are going to keep 1 and then 2, and then after this there is one more linked list which is going to be 3 and then 4, and then after that we are going to transform this second half to reverse, which is going to be 4 and then 3, 4 and then 3. After this we are going to combine this particular two lists to get this particular linked list, which is at the even linked list we are going to pick list 1, and then at the odd one we are going to pick this particular linked list. So first it is going to pick this one, and then second it is going to pick this one, third it is going to pick this one, and then 4 it is going to pick this one. So that is going to be a result. So let us think how we can solve this particular problem where we need to transform this particular linked list in this way. So let us break the first we need to break the solution in such a way that it will have first half and then second half. For that I am going to take two pointers, 3 pointers, which is going to be previous and then slow, and then another is going to be next, another is going to be fast. So these are the 3 pointers which I am going to take. This is going to be my previous, and then this is going to be my slow, so that I'll get the half of the linked list. And we can do in another way, which is like take this particular count and then count the number of elements, and then we can traverse till half of the linked list, and then we can break this particular linkage, and then we can reverse. So instead of doing that, we can take the slow pointer, and then slow pointer will move one step, and then fast pointer will move two steps. So let us move this slow pointer, and then fast pointer to here, and then again slow pointer will move to here, and then fast pointer moves to here. Now whenever I reach fast equal to null or fast next equal to null, at that time I am going to stop. After this particular step, I am going to reverse this particular linked list, and then after reversing this particular linked list, I am going to combine this particular linked list, and then that is going to be my answer. And then if we have the odd linked list, which is going to have previous, and then which is going to have slow, as well as which is going to have the fast. So this is what I am going to take. This is going to be my slow, and then this is going to be my fast. And then at this particular case, I am going to move slow to one step, and then fast is going to move to two steps, and then again slow to one step, and then fast is going to move to two steps. And then at this particular case, I am going to stop. Why? Because the fast next becomes null. So at this particular case, I am going to stop. And then if we see this particular example, this is going to be my previous. Now I need to break the linkage between these two. So to break the linkage, I will break this, and then put previous next equal to null. This is going to be null, previous next, and then after this I am going to reverse this particular linked list using the slow pointer, and then this is going to reverse me. This function is going to reverse this particular linked list, and then it is going to give us the result. So if you want to check the reverse of the linked list, you can go through this particular video. And then now this is where I stop. Now I have slow, and then as well as the previous, and then as well as this particular fast. Now I need to traverse in such a way that it will break this particular case where I'll have only 4 and then 5, and then I have 1 2 3. To break this particular example, I need to say the previous will become this. Previous is going to become, yeah, previous is going to become here, and then I am going to move this particular slow to next. I'm going to move this particular slow to next, and then after that I am going to reverse this particular linked list. After reverse this particular linked list, I am going to combine this 1 and 2 and then 3 with 5 and then 4, which is the reverse of the linked list, and then I am going to get this particular linked list. So let us go through the code where we have this particular thing. So now I am going to pick 3 pointers, which is going to be slow node, and then fast node, and then previous node. So previous node is going to store the previous node of the slow node. So I'm going to say previous node equal to slow node, and then I'm going to traverse slow node to slow next, and then fast node to two steps. And then whenever the fast or fast next becomes null, then at that time I will stop this particular case, and then I need to check whether this particular linked list is odd length or even length. If it is odd length, then we are going to do somewhat different operation, and then if it is even, we are going to do some different operations. So let us see the example where we have odd. For the odd, the fast will not become null, fast next becomes null. So this is the odd length. For this, we are going to say that this will be our slow as of now. For this particular case, I am going to say the previous node will become slow node. Previously the previous was here, so I'm going to say previous node will be this particular slow node, and then I'm going to reverse this particular linked list from slow node next. That means I am going to say the reverse of the linked list will happen from here, and then after that I am going to set this particular previous next to null, so that I'll break this linkage and then I am going to set it as null. And then if let's say if it is even, that means the fast node will become null. At this particular case, I am going to break at this particular point, and then reverse will start from slow, and then I am going to set previous next to null. So this is going to be previous next to null, and then reverse of the linked list will start from slow node, and then after this I am going to have two linked lists. I'm going to have two linked list, which is list 1 and then list 2, and then I'm going to take list 3 as my answer. So this is going to be my answer. Now if I have 1 and then 1 2 and then 1 2 and then 4 3, now I need to pick in such a way that the first will become first, and then second I am going to pick from here, and then third I'm going to pick from here, and then fourth I'm going to pick from here. So that is what we are going to do. Suppose let's say if it is the count initialization will start from 0. Suppose let's say if it is even, that means we need to pick from the list 1, which is going to be this. So I'm going to pick this particular value from the list 1. So list 3 next is going to be list 1, and then I'm going to traverse the list 1 to list next. And then let's say if it is odd, that means it is going to pick from the list 2, which is going to be list 2 next, and then I'm going to count the number of nodes, and then I'm going to traverse this particular linked list. So for this we are going to use the reverse of the linked list to reverse this particular half of the linked list, which is going to be second half, this second half, and then this second half. So for this second half, I am going to take the previous node and then current node and then next node, and then current node will be taken here, and then previous node will be here, and then next node will be here. Now I am going to traverse in such a way that the next node will be stored for the next node, and then current node next will point to the previous node, and then after that I am going to traverse the previous node to current node, and then current node to next node, and then this is going to give me the reverse of the linked list. So if you want to check out the video, you can check out this particular video, which is reverse of the linked list, for more details. So if we come to the time and space complexity, we are going to take big O of n time complexity, and then space complexity is going to be big O of 1. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video.